This is the sound of crickets and stuff. And maybe I'll film the moon. How do you want people who are listening to this EP, how do you want to make them feel?
What's it gonna take to free the sea? Rest your body.
What? Just wave for someone?
Just the zucchini.
Just a zucchini? Oh, I see.
So they're consubstantiating. Hey, y'all want to come over and consubstantiate on the slab?
Consubstantiate on this slab.
The doctrine, especially in Luther.
I liked that when you mispronounced the word and you just went, aw. What are we gonna call this EP?
You just call it aw.
Oh.
I don't know. I've been going back and forth about that. What's up? What? This looks fucking great.
Crazy town we live there.
I know.
What are you thinking, Sean?
Eyes, different surfaces.
Yeah.
Right? Like there's just this right amount of space, but like it just sounds good. It's also the only honest thing I can do is hold myself to that standard, because I had it from the beginning and I was letting go of it. Most times where you're just like, oh, that was a bad idea, it's only because it didn't turn out well. If it had turned out well, you would have said it was a good idea. But I will only know that after the fact. You know. That's the
Piccolo,
don't try,
mini,
don't try
piccolo,
to say the word,
mini,
try and-
piccolo, mini, piccolo.
Like that kind of act.
Slab.
Get on my slab.
Just want to be this close? Okay. Yeah, because right here I'm definitely gonna hear with my hands like this song, so.
Know you through the sunshine.
Is it 10? I think it's 10 past 10-ish. The objective has changed a little bit. That's what it does. That's what objectives do.
I think I've resigned myself to the songs, and it's like the way that they come out is the way that they come out. Trying to embrace more of a Lanker type feel of not striving for perfection, but striving for a good feel to the song. They told me my life has just begun, but I remember when Yeah, I think.
Fuck yeah! I think yeah. Fuck yeah! What the fuck? If everything changed, we got a really good take of Skyline. We got a really good, like... Sometimes you make things that it feels like you found, you know?
Yeah,
That's fucking
that's great.
actually magic.
Like the time in choir, and we had to sing. I'm also delirious, but that was really funny. All the time.
Does that help?
Vaguely.
Okay, it has to be like that. How do you want people to feel?
I think it's the biggest compliment when people tell us that our music makes them cry. Because I've cried a lot writing music. For it to elicit that level of a response within somebody, it makes me feel like I'm capturing a moment, but of like, this is the human experience, and calling out into the void a little bit of like, who else feels like this?
Full feeling.
And so it's great when people do, and I hope that we capture that feeling.
For once his aim was true. All these fascinating people, I'd face away from them all. To come find you and sit with you and watch paint dry on the wall. I wanna watch time paint all its outlines on your face. I have given up on elegance. Maybe we could shoot for grace. Gracefully accepting all the time that passes by. Maybe loving is surrender. Maybe I won't need to ask why. When the clothes have landed on the sides of your eyes, all those that I made you laugh a little more than cry. And when your hair is the color of a rainy sky, you and I can take our time. It's a strange thing to make someone feel heard by them hearing you. What I have found, the shows that have meant the most to people, has been when it feels like someone gave them words they didn't have before for a thing they had felt. A song that made them understand the way they had loved someone, or the way something had felt. I think that's what I want. I want someone to feel as though they have more of a shot of describing the human condition that they are experiencing. I was like, we were not in the same key. We started, and I went, so I'm gonna sing the song in mine. I can't give them how they felt, but I can give them how I felt. That might be a dialogue in the end.
Cool. Thank you. I love you. Okay, we're on tape.
Sometimes people just leave.
That's really cool.
I'm really liking where that's going.
With the
Really
fifth.
liking where that's going.
And there's another voice that can be included here as well.
Mhm.
Once Louis gets here, which is very cool.
Just saying something, and then, yeah.